Hi everyone, good morning. Today is October 16th of 2019 and in this video we're gonna do unboxing. Yep, we're gonna do unboxing because I got a mail from my friend. She's from Oregon and she gave me something. She went to the Philippines for a few weeks, and actually I asked her one thing, but I didn't expect that she's gonna give me this big, or I don't know what's inside, because the item that I asked from her is very tiny, so I don't know why I get the big box. Who knows? We'll see, we'll find out. So here it is. Alright, so here it is. I'm gonna try to open it. Oops. Sorry, I'm only here in my bed, so I don't really know what to expect in this box. So let's see. I told you my son just woke up. Mail time! Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Dai. I didn't see yet what's inside, but I kinda expect the item that I asked from you. So thank you very much if you're watching, Nanette. Thank you. Nakikita ko na ang clip. Hindi ko siya nakikita. It's just dark. I don't know what's this. What's inside? What's inside? I'm excited. Oh wow. Oh wow. This is what I asked. I'm gonna have something for my Queenie now. Thank you so much, Nanette. I love you, Dai. Thank you so much for this one. I have something for my Queenie now. Alright, it's a rosary and a food. Something food. Hold on a second. What's this? Wait, if I open it. Gutom na ako. Wala pa hindi pa pa-opening box. Gutom na ako, gatanaw. Pulveron, I think. And this was this. What is this? Hold on. Wait a second. Diba? Gulo-gulo. Wait a second. I have something here. Good thing inopen ko siya today, because it's actually food. I got this last night. And this one, what's this? It's something like a bottle. I don't know. I'm excited. Cute. No, I think this is her second mail package to me, and I never got a chance to give her something from here in New Hampshire. Oh, I think Thank you, yes, Lulits. Dayok. Dayok, Day. Thank you, Day. Thank you sa Dayok, Day. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. No. There's more. There it is. There you go, Bloods. Blood is life. Thank you, Day, so much. And sa pulburon ni Day. Hindi ko kabalo sa mga ngalan sa delicacies nato, Day, uy. Basta tamis mo na siya, ganahan ako. Thank you so much, Day. Blood is life. Ako dyan yung kamatisan. Thank you. I get food. And bulad. Oh my goodness. Sa tuwa pa ni siya na bulad, Day. Ay, kamatisan ko ni. Ito ko grocery yun niya. Kamatis ko. Ang sound na. Tuod ni pagluto. May kay kumin mo kung saan magkamatisan ako. Kabalo mo luto. Anyways, thank you so much, guys, sa gift. Sa imuhang padala, sa dayok, sa bulad, and sa pulburon. Especially this one. Because this is very important for me. Thank you so much. I'm gonna give this to my Queenie later. I'm gonna show you. Actually, I'm gonna show you. Hold on a second. I'm gonna move this a little bit. I'm gonna show you. Oh, see? Oops. Let me get something for my Queenie. Yay! Oh. Thank you, Day. I'm gonna give this to my Queenie. If you're wondering who's Queenie, it's my car. I know, I'm weird. I named my car. So yeah, I'm gonna give this to my Queenie. Thank you so much again, Nanette Brewers. It's hard to pronounce. It's English kasi. Palusot. Ilan dyan to kabalo mo pronounce ba? Anyways, thank you guys so much. And I'm glad you came home safe. That is all for today's vlog. Thank you guys for watching. And hope to see you next time. Bye-bye. Alright, so hi guys. Welcome back again. And the unboxing mail. And I'm actually putting this rosary on my Queenie now because I'm here just waiting for my son from school. So here it is. I don't know, it's kind of a little long, but I don't know how I'm gonna do this. There you go. I'll maybe do twice. Try it a little. See? So my Queenie has a rosary now. Don't mind about that thing. Jacob was cleaning the windshield with his hand. But yeah, that's my rosary for my Queenie. And once again, thank you for Nanette. Dai, if you're watching, thank you again for the gift. I really appreciate it. That's the kanira gyud ang kulang na for Queenie, for my Queenie, I think. Thank you, Dai.